Hello everyone, thank you for joining me again for another craft. Today we are making sound sandwiches. It's like a kazoo, but it's a sound sandwich. I thought that name was much more fun. So, in the bag that you've got from us, you got a few things. You got 2 large craft sticks. You got 1 straw. Actually, I think it's half straw. Anyways, you got a straw. You got a big rubber band. And you got 2 little rubber bands. And that's it. That's all you need for this amazing sound sandwich. Okay. First step. Take one of your craft sticks and your big rubber band, and you put it on the craft stick like this, long ways. So, okay. Next, you need to cut a little bit of the straw. So it says 1 to 1.5 inches. What I do is I get my ruler out and I line this up with 1.5, just like that. See that? Yeah. And then I take my scissors and snip, and then the straw goes flying. So there. And then you can do this, hold the little piece up to the big piece, and cut it like that. Ta-da! That's all you need of the straw. Okay. So, next step. Take one of your little straw pieces and stick it under the rubber band. Under the rubber band, like that. Okay. Kind of right about there. Next, you take the other piece of the straw and, well, you put it on top of the rubber band. So it's going to look like this. So one's underneath, and then, oops, one's going to be on top. So, it's easiest, I just found out. So after you put this one underneath, take your second craft stick and put it on top, like that. And then take one of your little rubber bands and put it around the end to hold it tight on there. So like that. Okay. And then you can just stick this other piece of straw in there. Like that. And then you can hold it while you rubber band that end. Oops. Okay. Look. A sound sandwich. Huzzah! And as you move the straw pieces, it changes the sound. Anyways. So, as you can see, you can move the straw to make different sounds. You can blow harder or blow softer. The instructions in the bag will give you other ideas of how you can play with your sound sandwich and experiments that you can do and things to extend the activity. So you can also decorate your sound sandwich if you would like. Just remember that you are putting this on your mouth on this. So just be careful what you use to decorate it with, okay? Otherwise, have fun. And make some music. And some sounds with your sound sandwich. So, thank you for joining me. I will see you next time, and have fun.